Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Janine, aka Mama Cakeface, and today I'm doing something a little different. I usually don't do these food challenges, but it's about to go down today, you guys. Popeyes versus Chick-fil-A. I love me a Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich, but you guys, I love Popeyes so much. The only fried chicken food chain I will eat chicken from is Popeyes. So it's about to go down. All right. Popeyes just opened at 10 o'clock, you guys, and it is legit wrapped around, line wrapped around. I don't know where we gonna go. Where we gonna park? Hold on, y'all. Okay, like I found the only parking spot here, and it looks like it's busy. Like they just opened 12 minutes ago. I hope they still have chicken sandwiches. Like, what? I gotta show you guys this crap. See this? You see this? You see this crap? All right, I'm going inside. Okay guys, so I didn't record while I was in Popeyes because it was really packed. It was pretty busy for that early in the morning, but I did get my 2 chicken sandwiches and 2 french fries. I got a spicy and regular chicken sandwich, and now I'm on my way to Chick-fil-A, so hopefully we don't have any long waits there. It didn't take too long while I was at Popeyes. It took about 20 minutes or so, which wasn't too bad considering the lines are wrapped around and all that. So okay, so I just left Chick-fil-A. That was like in and out. There's no lines here. I mean, there's a few people in and a few people around in their cars in the drive-thru, but now I'm about to go home and we're gonna do a taste test. The spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes versus the spicy Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. And the fries, y'all. And I got some sauces. So, see you guys in a little bit. Whew, y'all. I'm finally back home. I got my Arnold Palmer, half lemonade, half sweet tea. I got my sandwiches, I got my fries, I got my dipping sauces. I'm ready to go. I'm hungry. I'm ready. So I ordered from Popeyes the plain and the spicy chicken sandwich, but I ordered the spicy from Chick-fil-A because, you know, I like my heat, I like my spice. So we're gonna do the spicy chicken sandwiches, the fries, and the sauces. So I'll show you what I got. So I got my Popeye sandwich and I got my Chick-fil-A sandwich. Y'all can see in comparison the sizes. Y'all see what I'm talking about? They were about the same price for the fries and the sandwich. So I would say they're about, you know, close to the same price, but what are we getting in value? So let me show you the fries. They did not have a combo, like a chicken sandwich combo yet for Popeyes. So I had to buy my fries separate. So they were just small fries. And the fries that come with Chick-fil-A, it's a meal. So I'll show y'all what the fries look like in comparison to one another. Maybe I should, yeah. You see? Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, the waffle fries, seasoned fries. So we got our fries ready. And then for dipping sauce, where's my sauce? From Popeyes, I got the sweet heat. And from Chick-fil-A, I love me my Chick-fil-A sauce. So I got my Chick-fil-A sauce. Chick-fil-A sauce is like, I think all of their sauces mixed together in one sauce. So, y'all, I'm so excited. Have you guys tried any of these? Ooh, look at the sweet heat. I also got ranch. This is like a looser sauce. I got some ranch because I was thinking, oh, you know, the buttermilk ranch from Popeyes. I was thinking, you know, if it's like spicy, you know, spicy chicken with ranch is so good, but we gonna find out, y'all. I know what the Chick-fil-A sandwiches taste like because when I want a chicken sandwich, that's where I go. And I know what Popeyes chicken tastes like because when I want fried chicken, that's where I go for fried chicken. Like over Church's, over KFC, over any other chain, I go there. All right, so I got my dipping sauces ready. Let me take out my Chick-fil-A sandwich. Here is my Chick-fil-A sandwich. You get your bun, my spicy chicken fillet, and some pickles. There's no mayo. This is the bun. It's not toasted. It's just warmed up, right? Y'all see that? Y'all want a bite? Get a bite. Okay. Let me get my Popeyes sandwich out because my Popeyes sandwich feels bigger than a mug. Look at this sandwich, y'all. Look at this sandwich. Oh my God. This sandwich looks good. So I got my bun. Oh, it has some kind of spicy sauce on it. Is that what makes it spicy? I thought the chicken was spicy. Y'all see the sauce? Pickles. The chicken look thick, y'all. That chicken looks so thick. Let me show you a side by side. Popeyes, Chick-fil-A. So y'all see you getting a big old piece of chicken from Popeyes for the same price. But you get more fries if y'all care about fries. But if you like me, you care about that chicken. I'm about to tap into this Popeyes chicken sandwich because I cannot wait any longer. No, ma'am. All right, y'all. Here's the moment of truth. Mmm. Mmm. There really is a kick. The spice is in the chicken, not just the sauce. And you get a crunch. You know, like that classic Popeyes chicken crispy crunch when you bite into their chicken. You get that in the sandwich. And I've had this sandwich now for probably about 45 minutes. It's still warm and it's still crispy, and they toast their buns, y'all. I'm gonna dip it in that sweet heat and see what it do. Okay? Y'all, this is good. Look at that. I don't even want to drip this. I got a white shirt on, y'all. Look at that. You get a good piece of chicken, y'all. Look at that. That sweet heat is good, y'all. My dog is growling at the door. The sweet heat has like a honey, Tabasco sauce and honey flavor. That is good. That is so good. Y'all. All right, let's try some of their fries. They look a little not crispy anymore. They got a little cold. I'm gonna try it in the sweet heat. That sweet heat is, y'all. I like it. I'm glad I got the spicy chicken sandwich because y'all, I love me some spice. I broke my keto for this, y'all. Just started doing keto. I don't even know what the heck I'm doing, but... Did I get any napkins? Nope. Hold on. Popeyes gave me some napkins. Thank you, Popeyes. Nope, this was Chick-fil-A. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. All right. I'm going to drink some of this to cleanse the palate. And let's try the Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. I want to show y'all. It's a good, decent sized chicken patty, but the chicken that came in the Popeyes was like... This has a heat to it as well. And you get that pickle. The bread's a little bit more soggier. And I just got this one. The outside of the chicken's a lot more crispier, but not the same crisp that you get with Popeyes, but there's a crisp to it. The part of the chicken that's touching the bun is a little bit, it's less crispy, it's softer, you know what I mean? I'm dip it in my Chick-fil-A sauce. Classic Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. The waffle fries. You know, I just got home, but eating these chicken sandwiches and fries fresh, like when they make them and you get your meal at the restaurant and eating it there is like the best. But they still taste good, you know what I mean? I feel like the Chick-fil-A fries won when it comes to the fries. I love me some Chick-fil-A sauce, but this sweet heat, the sweet heat is also really, really good. Let me try this in the sweet heat real quick and see what it do. That sweet heat, because I love sweet and heat. So I love to get me like a spicy chicken breakfast sandwich and put honey on it. Or a chicken biscuit and put honey on it. That's my thing. That sweet heat is so good because it gives you the heat, that Tabasco flavor, and then that sweetness of the honey. It's really good. So the fries, I would say, if these were fresh... Oh my Lanta. If these were fresh, they'd be good. They'd probably be like neck and neck with the Chick-fil-A fries, but I mean, they still good even though they're cold. I can't, it's so hard to decide. They're so different, so it's hard to compare French fries and sandwiches, but I'll have to say for sandwich, Popeyes, you're giving Chick-fil-A a run for their money. You're getting way bigger sandwich, way bigger piece of meat. If they keep popping these things out like this, because Chick-fil-A back in the day used to get chicken sandwiches that were like, the pieces of chicken were big like that. But they're not consistent. Sometimes you get a little wimpy little piece of chicken. Sometimes you get a big old piece of chicken, so you never know what you're gonna get. Y'all hear that? I love Popeyes, y'all. I love Chick-fil-A too. It's so hard. I have to say that the heat is definitely more heat in the Chick-fil-A sandwich than there is in the Popeye sandwich. I feel the after effect more in the Popeyes, but while I'm eating it, like on my taste buds, I taste a little bit of the heat. I taste more of the heat after. Like once I've swallowed it, I can taste the heat like lingering on. But with the Chick-fil-A, you taste it while you're eating it. And Chick-fil-A's chicken is deep fried in peanut sauce and peanut oil. So it's got a sweeter exterior, a sweeter taste than the Popeyes chicken. Y'all, they both banging. That sweet heat is my jam, y'all. I like that. What do y'all think? Have y'all tried both of these sandwiches? Which one's your favorite? Sandwiches, going with the sauce, the chicken to bread ratio, the way that the bread felt, the pickle. I'll have to say that Popeyes won for the chicken sandwich. Woo! Popeyes! Hey! For French fries though, because my French fries were cold from Popeyes, and they were like very wilted and just meh, I have to say Chick-fil-A won on the French. I have to say that Chick-fil-A won on the French fries. Now, for sauces. If y'all know me, y'all know I love Chick-fil-A. Whenever I go, I always get my Chick-fil-A sauce. That is the only sauce I will put on my Chick-fil-A. But the sweet heat right here, that sweet heat, this is my new jam when it comes to Popeyes. So I'll have to say that the sweet heat beat my Chick-fil-A sauce. Ooh, oh my God, I can't believe I'm saying that because no sauce could ever touch my Chick-fil-A sauce. So that's it for this video, you guys. I don't want to be a slob and eat all this food in front of y'all. I'm actually pretty full right now. But tell me what you guys think. Have you guys tried these sandwiches? Which one's your favorite? Have you tried the fries? Which one's your favorite? Let me know down in the comment section, you guys, and I appreciate you watching this video. I would love if you subscribed and if you leave me a like, because it's a free way to tell me that you like the video. You know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye.